Hello everyone, welcome back to our second devlog, guys. So in this devlog, I'm going to show you a couple of things which I implemented over the last couple of weeks. So first of all, we have a fully functioning day-night cycle in our game, so with all the bright stars and moon also in place in our night sky. So for this we had to replace our default or the stock lighting which came with our landscape with a new lighting system. We were also able to set up images for moon and the stars in the sky. So let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. So let's look at the day-night cycle blueprint, and let me find my variable. It's called for our time. So now if I change, the time, it's really looking cool. So this is our night, and we have our moon over here. And when we change the time, the moon also moves, and we have our sun rising up here. And our sun also moves alongside, so you can see him here. Yes, it's pretty cool. I really like this mechanism. So I used a bunch of tutorials which I found on YouTube to set up this cool day-night cycle feature in my game. So it's looking really cool, I'd say, in my opinion. Also, what is really cool here is that this tutorial also shows you how to implement the actual position of the sun throughout the year. So that's really pretty realistic in my opinion. So that's all with this feature. The day-night cycle is fully functioning, and I'm planning to play around with the solar time. So I will be giving multiple options in my game to set the solar time. So it could be 24 hours a day, or maybe even lesser for faster day-night cycles in the game. So this is entirely up to me to decide when I progress in the game based on the kind of gameplay and the kind of quests and everything which I set up in my game. One of the other things which we worked upon during the last weeks was the quest framework. So I found this cool Narrative 3 plugin from the marketplace, which I downloaded and installed to my engine. So this will now enable easy setups for dialogues and quests in my game. So this is what I have used, and I just kind of set up our first quest to get a look and feel of the basic system. I'll be modifying the assets in use here. So right now I'm using the stock assets in the UI for the quests. The dialogues have not yet implemented, but this is going to be the next tasks in the upcoming days. Other than that, I was also working on a simple UI when the game starts for the health and the XP and the level kind of thing. And I also worked upon a quick feedback to the player when we progress from one level to the other. So that's also done with some the particle systems which come with the standard starter kit. So that's also looking pretty cool. So let me quickly show what I'm talking about. So now let me just close these windows, and let me also explain about the quest system in our game. So we have our default quest, the first quest which has started up here, Humble Beginnings. That's the title I gave for the quest, and it says quest started, and the objective would be go to Bard. So I need to arrange it properly. So right now both are overlapping. So this quest thingy would go to the top left as of now, and these UI elements over here, I am planning to move it towards maybe bottom left or bottom right even. So this is not yet finalized. So as per our quest, this is the starting quest. So just to get the look and feel, I had set up this quest where we need to move to Bart, and then you see the quest is succeeded, and the go to Bart objective is now grayed out. And also this is one of the UI element which I was mentioning earlier. So this is basically a small icon. I found this pretty good tutorial on YouTube to set this up, and you have an XP system over here. So, and the current level is displayed, which is 0. So I have a debug option set up. So if I press F on my keyboard, basically the XP points are going to increase. You see here. And when I cross the level, so the level is updated as 1, and you heard this the ding dong sound, and also this visual particle effect which was played. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. So that's also in place. Now we are going to build upon these kind of stuff in this game. So we need to extend the framework and support more UI elements, maybe a mini map, maybe also a health system, and etc. Also, the coming weeks are going to be exciting. So we have a bunch of creative stuff planned. So I need to think about this and plan it very well so I can also incorporate the devlogs in between. But that's all for today's devlog. Hope you guys had a nice time and enjoyed this video. So see you again in a brand new devlog, guys. Bye.